Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to delete bookmarks on Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click on a three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Hover your mouse on Bookmarks and Lists. Select Bookmarks Manager from the menu. As you can see, we have plenty of bookmarks organized in the form of folders. To view individual bookmarks, click on the name of the folder in the left sidebar. To delete a bookmark, click the three-dot icon next to it. Select Delete from the pop-up menu. As you can see, the bookmark has been deleted. To delete entire bookmarks folder, navigate to the main folder. Click the three-dot icon next to the folder you want to delete. Select Delete from the pop-up menu. As you can see, the bookmarks folder has been deleted. Similarly, you can delete other bookmarks and folders. This is how you can delete bookmarks on Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.